Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can send a photo as a snap on your Snapchat. So first, I'm going to take a photo using my phone's camera, just like this. It's a random photo. Now let's say I open Snapchat and I try to send a photo like this. So I click on this little gallery looking icon at the bottom right, and I go on my phone's gallery by clicking on camera roll now. And I choose the photo, I click on send to, and I choose one of my friends to send it to and send it to him. Now if I send a photo from my gallery just like this, then this is how it's going to be sent as. As you guys can see, it has been sent like this. Now this is not a snap, alright? It's basically me just sending him a picture from my gallery. And he's going to know I just sent a picture from my gallery. Now, to send a picture as a snap, what I need to do is go on my camera icon at the bottom and click on the magnifying glass at the bottom right, also known as the search icon. And then at the top where it says search, just click on it and search for upload gallery. Now, once you search for upload gallery, the first option or the first lens which says upload gallery, click on it. Now it's going to show you all the picture which is available in your gallery. So I want to send the first picture as a snap. So what I'm going to do is just click on the picture. Now you can select any picture or any video you want to send, alright? But I'm going to click on the first one. And after I choose the photo, I'm going to click on this button which is in the bottom, the circle button. Click on it and a photo will be taken. And once your photo from your gallery is like chosen, just click on send to and send it to one of your friends. I will just send it to one of my random friend. Click on the arrow and the photo which was in my gallery should be sent as a snap. So let me show you the proof of this. I will go on my chat and I will go on my friend, and as you guys can see, it's being delivered. That means I just sent my photo which was in my gallery as a snap. But that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. And if you are using your Snapchat's camera, you don't even have to do any of those things. You just open up your Snapchat and click a random photo and then just click on send to and send it to any one of your friends. And once you do this, it's going to automatically be sent as a snap, alright? So as you guys can see, the photo which I just took using my Snapchat's camera has been sent as a snap. Now I didn't have to do all those things like go into filter and do that stuff like that. So if you use your Snapchat's inbuilt camera and click a photo and send it, it's going to automatically be sent as a snap.